Hello my beautiful and amazing people. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, we will be making crackers. Please, after watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients that we'll be needing are 250 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, half teaspoon of salt, and 100 milliliters of warm water. Add all the dry ingredients into the bowl. And mix together. After that, you add in your vegetable oil. And lastly, add in your water. Transfer your dough onto your working area and start kneading it until the dough is soft. After kneading, put it in your bowl and cover to rest for 1 hour. Here is the dough after 1 hour. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. And roll out the dough. Cut into your desired shape. Place them into your pan. Use a fork or a toothpick to poke holes into them. Sprinkle a bit of salt on them. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. Here is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.